Hi, I'm Michael Kirkab with DB Audiotechnik here at InfoComm 2025. At the show today, we are featuring our new CCL line array. The CCL line array is a new system in the first member of the CL series, a cardioid system unique among compact line arrays. Our mission was to equip the CCL with meaningful features for those managing smaller venues and events. Broadband directivity control with low-frequency cardioid behavior using an innovative new passive design. There are install and mobile variants, 80-degree and 120-degree horizontal dispersion variants, a refreshed touring cart design, all-in-one master flying frame with the components intelligently integrated for efficiency, and custom solutions to satisfy unique requirements are available. For more information about the CCL line array, please visit dbaudio.com, where you can learn about that and all of our products at D&B Audiotechnik.